Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can actually draw a table on Microsoft PowerPoint. So in the past few videos I showed you different ways to go ahead and create tables. The previous few videos we created a table that looks something like this, and in this video let's go ahead and create one just by drawing it, and we'll actually create it from scratch. So we have this new slide here. I'm going to come over here to Insert, come over here to Table, come over here to Draw Table, and now we're going to go ahead and hold left click and we'll decide how big we want our table to be. So I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger like this. And what we need to do from here is we actually have to start building out our columns and our rows. So I can either do this under table layout, or I could just come over here and I could just right click and then use my little mini editor here. So I'll actually use the mini editor. So I'm gonna come over here to Insert. Let's add our first column, second column, and well, actually, sorry, that was first, second, third, fourth. So that was our fourth column. Now let's add in our rows. So now we have our second row, third row, and fourth row. So we have our 4 rows and our 4 columns. If you're unfamiliar with the how to know what a column and a row is in a table, columns, think of them as the vertical. So this is a column, this is a column, this is a column, and this is a column. And then the rows are horizontal. So rows run like this, like this, like this, like this. And each one of these individual rectangles is referred to as a cell. So now that we have our table selected, let's come over here to table layout. Actually, it's table design, and we're going to go ahead and specify that our table has a header row. So a header row is where you're actually going to add in the title for the different columns. So in the past few videos, we've been creating a budget sheet. So like if I come over to this table, you can see this column here is titled Bills. We have one for January, February, March, April. And then for right here, I would put in something like rent. And then I would put in what I paid for my rent for January, what I paid for my rent in February, in March, and April. And then we would do that for each of the different bills that have been specified here. I'm not going to fill in all that here. I'll just show you guys how you can actually go ahead and just design your table, and you can build it out the way that you want. So now that I have the table selected, we can come over here to Table Styles, and there's actually some pre-built styles that we can use that PowerPoint provides to us. So I'm going to provide one that looks, let's go ahead and find one that's, there you go. This is okay. So it gave us a different color for our header, and then you can see our different rows below. So it's easy to distinguish that there's a header here and then there's rows below it. And apart from this, you can actually come in and you can change the colors. You can change things like the shading for one cell or multiple cells. And you can continue to build it out however you would like to. So that is how you're actually able to draw tables on PowerPoint.